Hello, my friends. I'm going to do a fantasy floral painting today using colors pretty much that I used in this cloud pour from the other day, so I think that should be fun. But first, I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm going to give this painting away to one lucky winner. All you need to do to be eligible is leave a comment down below in the description box, and after 1 week's time, I will randomly select a name and send it to you. Now I do have to limit this to US only at this time. I'm sorry, but it just gets crazy with postage out of the country. However, I recently added about 40 plus paintings to my website, CHRISTINEJ.com. And I have a special offer for anyone out of the US. If you see something you're interested in, just email me which one, and I will calculate a price and split the shipping costs with you. So I'll calculate it, and then you can decide if you want to do it or not. So please feel free to take a look at CHRISTINEJ.com, anyone, and see what I've added. That said, I'm going to clear the deck here, put a white base coat down on my canvas, and get to work. Okay, I've got my base coat down. Now, this is a 16 by 20 inch canvas. I like square canvases for these flowers, but I didn't have any. So I'm going with this rectangular shape. So that means I have to think a little differently about placement. I don't want the center of the flower right in the middle. I want it a little off center. So it will be around here, I think. So I'll have 1, 2, 3 petals going that way, and 1, 2. That's my thinking anyway. And my colors, as I said, are mostly the same as that cloud pour I did. I've got Prussian blue. No, not Prussian blue. Payne's gray. Creative Inspirations. I've got Viridian. Creative Inspirations. Whoops. That's this one. Then I darkened it by taking just some of that and added a little bit of metallic black from Loft to come up with a dark green. I've got Pearl Pistachio Green from Arteza and Dioxazine Violet, Soho, and Light Violet, Loft. And then just for fun, I might add a little bit of this Cad Yellow Deep to the center to kind of look like pollen. So that's my thinking. Those are the colors, and here we go. I'm going to start with the bottom petals. That's what I kind of like to do, and I kind of like them to be darker than the top ones. So let's see. 1 there. And 1 over here. And I'll do kind of a lighter petally thing toward the bottom. And, oh, I forgot the Payne's gray. I'll put some of that on there. Okay, then the top petals will go with the lighter. Why aren't I just pouring it? I don't know. Okay. We'll just do the opposite. We'll put a little of the dark purple on this end, just a little. Some of the Payne's gray on the inside. And now let's see, I guess we'll go greens in the center. So I'll start with the Viridian. I'll just make a little puddle right in the center there. And the dark Viridian, kind of do this. And now this is really my lightest value. And finally, just a dash of Cad Yellow Deep. That's it. Okay. I hope I have enough paint on there. Oh. I'm a little concerned that I don't have enough here. I'm going to add a little more of the Dioxazine. Okay, I got two hair dryers standing by. I have my little flower one. I'm going to start with this one, but I don't know that I'm going to get the right look with this on this larger canvas. It worked fine on the small one I did yesterday, but I also have a larger hair dryer standing by. So I'll give this a try first because I just love it's so easy to maneuver. And here we go, my friends. I'm going to start in the center and kind of push some of that out this way, and I'll be going like this, I think. I don't know. We'll see what feels right. Here we go. Woo. Oh, that's pretty. I guess this is sufficient. Oh my gosh, that Payne's gray in there. I usually like to reach the edges, but I'm not going to worry about that one. And let's see, over here. Over here I will. Okay. Now, look how wonderful that is right there. I love that. That was just from some dots that went in there, and that's the Viridian. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty with the purple. Okay, and now for the upper petals. See, this is why I like a square canvas. However, let me size this up. I mean, I've got to do something. This is not working for me just like this, but maybe I really don't like to blow things out twice. That's where you get in trouble and you lose the intensity of color. Maybe I will just drizzle some green on there, like kind of like stems. What do you think? We start with a light green, because that hardly showed up at all in there. Let's see. I'm just going to add some artistic lines, I hope. In fact, I'm going to get a paper cup that I can squeeze and make skinny lines. Hold on a second. I'm going to pour this into paper cup. Form a point. I mean, a spout. And here we go. Wish me luck. It's kind of fun. I like that. And I can cross over the petals. I think I will. I'm going to go from here. Well, no, I don't want to end up the same place there. I want to end up over here. And then one over here, and I may call it done. I wonder if I need to do the same thing with this Viridian, or maybe the dark green. I think I do. I'm happy enough with this working on the negative space to fill in this large negative area. But I think it's too light. I need a little more contrast. So I need another cup. I didn't plan this out, my friends. I did that, on the fly. You have to be flexible and problem solve while you're in the moment. And that's what I hope I did. So, dark green. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's so much better. And that's okay. And then one more. I like it. And I have a lot more paint, so I could probably do another one. What do you think, my friends? Bring you in for a closer look. I don't mind white cells like that as long as they don't grow too much bigger. Look at that Viridian and the Payne's Gray and the Dioxazine. And that Cad Yellow Deep was just a nice pop of color. It's a complementary color of the purple, so it just adds some excitement, I think. A little of it went in that green there. And see these little lines? I hope they don't spread out much. Okay, I'm happy, my friends. I think I have a winner here. That would be the bottom over there. So on a future video, I'll turn it around and show you, or I'll post it at the end, the correct orientation. But there you have it. Thank you for joining me, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time.